Hey, what's up everybody? It's 2024 and Dragonhawk just came out with a New Year edition of the Dragonhawk Fold Pro, which is absolutely one of my favorite machines. So we're gonna have a look at it and unbox it. Also, this tattoo machine comes with a very cool t-shirt. So I should probably put that on. There we go. So we got the box right here. We're gonna unbox it and talk about this machine a little bit more. And of course, this is almost exactly the same machine as the original Dragonhawk Fold Pro, but there are a couple of differences that they made and some things that are in this box that are a little bit more of an upgrade to your Dragonhawk Fold machine. So make sure you watch this video and let's unbox this machine. So we got the beautiful box right here. It has the same design that it has on the t-shirt on the box. 2024 Dragonhawk Fold Pro. Now let's open this box up. It's a pretty big box. There's a lot of things inside here. There we go. So of course you got your user manual, a box with an RCA cable, a charger cable, and another charger cable. And here you can see that this box comes with a lot of things. Now of course we got the machine right here. It has a little bit of a different grip than what the other one has, but we're gonna talk about that a little bit later. You got the RCA converter if you want to use this one wired, because as you may well know, the Fold Pro is a wireless machine. You got a spare pink battery and also a spare pink grip. Now this grip is the same grip as what is on the regular Dragonhawk Fold Pro. This one is just pink, so we got a different color palette going on. Everything is pretty much the same, except they've put a different grip on this machine. If you unscrew it all the way, it comes off. And you can see it's not very heavy. It might look heavy, but I think it's about the same weight as the pink one. Maybe a tiny bit heavier, but not really. They are also pretty much the same size. This one is a little bit thicker, which I usually like a little bit more. For the sake of this video, let's put on the other grip. There you go. Cool. And of course, you can take off the battery like so, with the ball joints that we know from the other machine as well. And you can stick on your spare battery like so. Of course, you got your power button to turn on the machine. When it's on, you press the button again and it starts to run. You can adjust your voltage up and down. Now of course this is a Type-C charger which is included in the package, so you can charge your battery, and if you run out of a battery you have a spare one that you can use. Now this is the same system that what we are used to with also with the other Dragonhawk Fold 2 Pro that I recently reviewed on the channel, that fits on this battery as well. You can have a cool pink setup like this. I do think pink and red is not the best combination in my opinion, but you know, whatever floats your boat. It is cool that you can do this, but of course if you rather have the other grip on, which I probably will, you can have the party complete like that. Or of course just put on your black battery. Now of course this machine is it runs the same as the other Fold Pro. Now I do think that they changed a little something right here with the grip adjustments, because I remember I was complaining a little bit how it would kind of adjust the strokes when you are adjusting your grip. So I'm gonna hold it here at the very end, so I cannot really hold this into place, and you can see you can adjust your grip without your stroke adjusting. So it is a little bit stiffer to do that. Let's see if it does the same when it's on 3.3. Yep, you can adjust it, and just when you get to that end, of course it's gonna start turning, but it's because you got no room to go on your grip anymore. So I think this is a very good thing that they have changed. I also like that they made this one with a little bit of a bulkier grip, because I always like to have a little bigger grip when I tattoo, so I don't have to put on a ton of grip tape to get to the same size, and it feels a little bit more comfortable. Now if I have to give a couple of pointers, probably with the grip tape you won't feel it as much, but I would have smoothened this out. Instead of having like a rigid, it has like these ridges in here, I would have just like one bulky kind of grip. But maybe they did that to keep the grip a little bit lighter or something like that. But yeah, it does feel very comfortable, especially if you compare it to the straight grip that you also have in this package. If you like to work with a thinner grip, you can just put on the other grip. Of course, if you have the black grip from your Fold Pro that you had previously, you can put that one on as well. So yeah, all in all, these are some things that are pretty cool. Now of course, you can also put on your RCA adapter, and you can use it with any wireless battery that you like to use it with, or if you use like a power supply, you can use it like that as well. Now it does feel a little bit heavier for some reason. I don't know why that is. The RCA adapter, is that heavier than the battery? Yeah, it does get a little bit heavier with the RCA adapter on. Let's quickly go back up top and talk about this machine. So yeah, this was just a quick unboxing about this new Dragonhawk Fold Pro New Year's edition. Now of course, if you want to see a full-on review on the Dragonhawk Fold Pro, I'll have the link in the description, and if you want to enjoy a nice discount, I will also have a discount code ready for you in the description down below, and it will give you an extra 10% discount if you are wanting to buy this machine. Personally, I think I would buy this over the regular Fold Pro. Even though the Fold Pro is a very nice machine, I do like the fact that this has a little bit of a better grip, and I feel like they changed a little bit of that stiffness on the grip adjustment, so I think that's a very good thing. Now I do not know if like the newer ones of the Fold Pro that are coming out, if they have that same stiffness in the grip adjustments, because maybe they have already changed that, yeah, without putting it like on a new version. So it could be that the regular Fold Pro also has that, but I also like the fact that it comes with 2 batteries. And it comes with that RCA adapter, instead of having 1 battery and an RCA adapter, or just having 2 batteries in the box. So yeah, I think that's a very cool thing. Only thing I don't really get is red and pink are usually not very well matching, in my opinion. So for the aesthetics of it, even though I've always had this machine wrapped, I would rather have this thing completely black and then have like the pink grips, the pink grip and battery to put on. I think it will look better for the machine. Anyways, I always have my machine wrapped, and I don't really care what color it has as long as it produces good tattoos. And I know that the Dragonhawk Fold Pro can produce very nice tattoos, because I have been using the Dragonhawk Fold Pro for a very long time. Other than that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.